Hello everyone, welcome back to Liver NJ. And today we are solving the another problem. Basically, this is the upgraded version of previous ones we have done. So this is best time to buy and sell second. So let's understand this question and then we will move forward the code part. Okay. So here in this question we have given an array which is price and every element of price represent the stock price on a given day. So in this question we have to find the maximum profit by making multiple transactions. But one thing which you should keep in your mind here, you can only hold at most one share of the stocks. It means like no multiple transaction at a same time. So, and one more thing, you must sell before buy the stock again. Okay, so this is the question, and now let's understand the example cases. So here is we have array price hold 715364. So as per this question, we have to track the profit because this question asks the maximum profit to making the multiple transaction. Okay, so this is the price array and as output we got 7. So let's understand the calculation it had done to get the 7. So why on day second, on that day the price is 1 and sell on day 3 where price is 5, and okay, profit is the difference between both. Then buy on day 4. Oh no, he have done the one transaction and again he buy on day 4 where he got the price 3 and sell on day 5 where price is 6 and the profit is 6 minus 3. So and the same happening in both of the examples. So you know the something I have talked about in my previous video, like the mistakes and the optimal solution of to solve this problem. So here we will try to understand the best explanation about this question. So as per this question, we have to maximize the profit. So we need a variable uh, which will keep tracking the all the profit. So we are getting through the transactions. So for that, let's create a profit variable which is initially 0, and then we will loop through starting from index 1. So now let me make sure int I is equal to 1 till go I less than equal to the length of the array. Here I or I plus plus. Then we will make sure we will create a condition here. If let me write down the code and then I'll explain. If the current value is less than I minus 1, then what we're going to do, we will store the difference of the I minus price I minus 1, and then final we will return profit. Yeah, here we go. So this is the coding part. So as per this question, because we have to find the maximum profit, and so we make sure we create an variable which is profit. Initially it's 0, and based on the condition it will store the profit. Okay, and here we make a loop, and in between that we are making like if the price 1, the current price is less than I minus 1, then we will make sure and we will store the profit. Here profit is the difference of the maximum price or higher price or the lower price. Okay, so this is all about the question. uh, and the time complexity, we have done this question on constant time complexity. And for this question the time complexity is linear, and we didn't use any kind of another way, let us such kind of thing. So the speech complexity will be constant. Okay, so this is all about this question. Let's try to run it. Accept it. I here I did a mistake in using this, greater than or less than, because if the price I, the next price on which we have to sold is greater than the previous ones, then we will uh, sell our stock, and on the difference of the both will be the profit, and we stored into profit. Okay, so this is all about this question. uh, yeah, let's submit it. It's a simple question, but just the thing which we have to keep in mind, like multiple transaction is allowed here, and you know and the thing is you must sell the stock before buy again. Yeah, this is all about this question. Yeah, okay.